Okay, real quick, I ended up having to go and get the torch and actually heat the torque rod up. These bolts are so rusted in there they wouldn't come off, but you can see there is the bushing coming out of it. So much rust, the bushings wore out all the way around. And then if you get down here, you look, I didn't catch it at first, but look how the end of that is bent. The new one is in. I had to get new bolts and new nuts because they were rusted so bad. And here is the other side. You can see how that bushing is starting to pull in right there. See how that side's starting to come out? That torque rod was shot. And then the part number for the bolts, the international bolts, is 31077R1. That's the OEM part number for the bolt that goes through there. And basically, it's just plug and play. Torque them suckers down tight, send it on its way.